This is one of the hardest things that you as a human being will ever endeavor to do, because it's so easy to psych yourself out. I'm convinced that 80% of people that fail, they talk themselves into failure, either subconsciously or blatantly. Think about what you've done to yourself as a trader. If you've traded with live funds and you've blown that account or accounts, you can go right back to the moment where you knew at that moment, right before you did it, when you still had money in the account, the day that you did like 25, 30 trades, over leveraging, trying to fix something, trying to just do whatever, at some point, it became like you just wanted to end it all because it was too painful. Just click until I don't have any more money left. I don't have the discipline to do it right. I've already convinced myself that I'm never going to do this, so let's just blow the account and be done with it. So subconsciously, what? Your mind tells your hand there's something to do. Push the button. But the chart's saying nothing about doing anything at all. You're never going to see a book written like that. But that's the stuff that goes on for real.
Alrighty, good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday, everybody. July 1st. Happy July, everybody. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Like the stream, say what's up in the chat. You guys know the drill. Good morning, Sone. Good to see you. W. Aaron, PJW, Derzit, Choya, good morning. Good morning, Jose, CJ Trading, Roger, good to see you, man. Good morning, Nika, Philip. Scott Scalper, good morning. Ryan, or Jan Bana, good morning. Victor, good morning. There's our opening bell, by the way. Better get that out of the way here quick. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome on in. Happy hump day, chat. Let me go ahead and turn the background music down here a little bit. So first things first here. Economic calendar today. We do have 10 a.m. news with PMI. We had the chair of the Fed speaking at 9 a.m. I don't know if he's still going or not, but an ADP non-farm employment change at 8:15. So 10 a.m. PMI news is what we have to be worried about now. Going into the rest of the morning, we got this BOE Bailey decision not to raise rates was based off softening economy. Rate cuts off the table at the moment. Rate cuts are off the table at the moment, is what they're saying, chat. So what I'm hearing is that we could have had Jerome Powell in here the whole time. Well, if we weren't going to cut rates, then why did we get rid of Powell? I don't understand. You know what I'm saying? What sense does that make? But anyway, nonetheless, good morning, everybody. Diving into the actual chart here. Well, let's see here. So, little tricky, to be honest, on the week, just because my bias going into the week, as you guys know, is that we would come take out this previous weekly low at 160. Clearly have done nowhere near that. We just opened up this week and have gone basically straight up on this weekly candle. On the daily, we actually ended up getting an inversion here on this daily inefficiency here, closing above these down close candles on the daily chart. If we drop down to the 4 hour, you know, we have, again, inversions here to the left. We have bullish inefficiencies here that we're trading into right now. We're trading into a 4 hour order block right now. And 1 hour as well. So I guess we'll see, man. I mean, if this weekly candle does just totally take a dump through these lows now, this market's drunk. So we'll see. I'm gonna look to play a potentially higher bounce out of this structure. But if this does end up failing, then I do think that my original thought process for the week could still be in play if this does fail. So I'm going to be looking to be more so bullish out of here for now until this fails. Once this fails, then I will flip back to bearishness. So that is going to be my plan for today, and only two more. Well, today and tomorrow are the only 2 days left in the trading week. So short trading week this week. NFP is technically tomorrow. So technically, I guess we're trading the day before NFP today, aren't we? I guess so. I guess we are. Alrighty. Let's see. Where's this 4-hour level? Okay, we're already trading into like 50% of this OB. Well, let's see, boys. Let's see. Let us see. Good morning, guys. What's up, Bjorn Saul? Z Trades. Good morning, man. Naz Lover, White Mamba, Crypto Genius. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Big Head Reef? Let's see. The poll in the chat. 63% of the chat is bullish. Oh, shit. Is the poll working? Do we only have 57 votes so far? Or is the poll not working again? Are you guys able to... Oh, there we go. Never mind, it is working. You guys just ain't voting. I promise I don't take any money from APAC. It's okay to vote here. It doesn't go to waste. Just saying. I'm just saying. Just saying. But as of right now, we got way more bears than bulls. Or wait, no. Am I dyslexic? I swear to God, the first time I looked at it, it said the bears were higher. Now it says 60% bulls, 40% bears. I swear to God, I'm not drunk. I swear to drunk, I'm not God. I promise, chat. Seems like we have the patience to wait for 10 a.m. Please, PS, bulls look good, lol. Yeah, we shall see. Coming down pretty heavy from the Asia session. For those of you guys that were on stream yesterday, the trade idea that we tried catching was basically, well, we did catch it. We caught this short move here on this 15-minute down candle, which ended up leaving a hourly gap here. And that is right when price reversed on us and stopping us at break even after being up over 100 points. So it's kind of a bummer. But this is coming down strong. Coming down strong. Like if this fails, that previous weekly low might still be on the table, to be honest. We'll see. We will see. There we go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. You are drunk? Dude, I swear to drunk. I'm not God. I swear. What position size you recommend for 50K funded? I usually trade with 5 MNQ on evals. What size should I trade? Well, the size depends on the stop loss size and the volatility of the market, I would say. But, I mean, if it's eval, obviously you can be willing to risk a little bit more and be a little bit more aggressive. So, I don't know. I can't really give you like a cookie cutter, one size fits all answer, AG trades, just because it depends on your stop size. I think your stop loss should always go like below a low or above a high, or bare minimum, you got to be placing it like on the other side of 2 or 3 PD arrays that you don't want to see fail. Not just like having an arbitrary number, right? I don't trade with like an arbitrary like 20-point stop, 25-point stop. You know, it's just got to go beyond structure that I don't want to see fail, basically. Nemo says just full port like I did yesterday. Nemo, what do you mean? Nemo, you were naughty and full ported yesterday? Is that what you're telling me? Is that what I'm understanding, Nemo? Was it at least a full port in the right direction? The full... Oh, geez. Oh, I spoke too soon and blew it. Oh, my goodness. Oh, no. See, the full ports aren't always bad if the full port was in the right direction. You know what I mean? Well, you know what, Nemo? Hey, first of all, cheers. It's a new month, though. Pride Month is behind us, boys, and I don't mean that sexually. Although, knowing this chat, someone's going to take it that way. Pride Month is behind us, boys. We're on to bigger and better things with July. Knock on wood, right? YM took the low already, so maybe 10 a.m. bullish reversal with SMT to give a bit more confluence. Yeah, I'm just basing my my ideas this morning off of just the structure that we have put in, right? We've disrespected like everything here to the left on the 4 hour, on the daily, hourly, obviously as well, right? We've got 1 hour and 4 hour bullish PD arrays printing on this leg that, you know, I think in a perfect market we should just continue to follow now. But obviously, if they fail, then you got to be willing to adapt and could see that weekly. Because again, we're still in this weekly range, right? Like this ultimately is the overarching theme, and kind of the issue with a little bit of the uncertainty at times is when you're just back and forth in this range. I mean, for goodness sakes, like this range is 2,600 points. It's just weekly candles barcoding back and forth. You know, we've gone from the weekly close, and we opened up this week just above that previous weekly low. We've traded all the way up now to the rejection block of the previous weekly candle, so the previous weekly open. Didn't quite get to that monthly opening price, by the way. Well, the monthly opening price was like 7.0. I don't think this is exact. But anyway, we did end up closing the month bearish still with this huge doji candle, large wick to the downside. And we have a monthly inefficiency below that previous monthly low. That I think maybe could act as a draw for this month still. So yeah, that is the overarching theme of the market right now. But obviously, you know, we're basically just trading from one PD array to the next from the higher time frames on down. That's all we can do, right? Yeah, Anwar, as soon as I said it, I knew it. I was like, oh, shoot, what did I do? What have I done? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Good morning, Adam. Good to see you, man. This is just a nasty range. We finna trap first before breaking out to the moon. Yeah. Your guesses are as good as mine, boys, at this point. Like, are we accumulating at the all-time high for a bigger sell-off? Are we, you know, chopping here before expanding to new highs? Honestly, who knows? Who knows? And I'm tired of pretending to know. You know what I'm saying? This at many points throughout this year, I feel like it's been like mental warfare with the market. Probably going to wait until after 9 a.m. Central to look for entries. Leaning bearish today, though. Yeah, well, we got news at 10, so we're probably waiting here as well. 9:40 right now. Well, I mean, I guess we still got time. I just don't see like a strong opportunity. You'd have to front run. Like if you're going to be longing from here, I guess you'd have to be front running like this 5 minute. We did tap into this 1 minute. Now we're coming back up. Maybe you get an inversion here. Like there is time here before the news still. And we're trading right now. The PD array that we're trading into right now on the higher time frame is obviously filled this 4 hour bullish gap, trading into this 4 hour order block. So obviously, yes, if price does confirm higher from here, I think I don't think it's a bad idea. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So anyway, boys, yeah, that's the thought process for now. I see, yeah, most of the chat is bullish after all. So I definitely was either dyslexic or drunk the first time I looked at the poll. I thought it was bearish for some reason, but 62% of the chat is bullish, 38% of the chat is bearish. The only, like, honestly, the only thing that I'm a little worried about is just this weekly range. You know what I mean? Like, because when you're range trading, that is exactly the type of shit that happens internally in these candles. Is just like a lot of back and forth, a lot of like PD arrays get disrespected, reclaimed, disrespected again, right? Like it's just back and forth. So it just makes it a little bit sometimes harder to trust, if that makes sense. See, what is this range here? 70 points. Thoughts on YM? My thoughts on YM. I don't really have any thoughts. The hourly chart looks kind of gross. 4-hour chart looks kind of gross. I mean, see, like YM actually does look like shit on the hourly, on the 4-hour. Just look at the wicks. Go to your hourly chart, go to your 4-hour chart, and literally just look at the wicks on these candles. So that's my thoughts on YM. I mean, generally YM's kind of like in its own world, though. So that's really my thoughts. Sometimes it's the asset that does provide the SMT clarity, but I don't know. As of late, I feel like it's actually been in its own universe again. But we won't lose faith in the Dow. We'll be back trading the Dow at some point, I'm sure. Never say never. It's never goodbye. It's see you later. You know what I'm saying? Take a buy entry. Let's see. Maybe I will. Maybe I will. Let's see this first 15 close. Waiting for news. I mean, maybe we'll see. I mean, I wasn't like, I didn't come into the session like opposed to taking something if it was clear. You know, I don't generally mind taking a trade prior to the news as long as we got like enough time before to move. And, you know, is 15, 20 minutes enough time? Well, it'd be 15 minutes now, but, you know, at least not right on the, I don't like trading like right at the news. Thank you, Stock Updates Daily. Glad to Know says, congratulations, Tyler. You are the greatest streamer and trader of all time. If you ask me, I've learned many things watching you. Thanks, man. I appreciate the kind words. All right. Just for the rage bait. Only for the rage bait. I'm going to have to agree with your statement. But no, I think if I was the greatest trader of all time, yeah, I don't think I would have a digital footprint. I think I'd be I think I'd be somewhere else, you know what I'm saying? Besides, greatest trader of all time, I mean, you're putting me up there with like Nancy Pelosi, Barron Trump, Donald Trump now. Like that's some pretty crazy company, I'm not gonna lie. How about this? I at least got the best mustache currently. Does any other streamer even have a mustache? I must ask you a question. The greatest trader of all time is ICT. Oh yeah, I forgot. Well, yeah. I mean, yeah, you got ICT. You got. I don't even know who's made more money at this point. Is it Trump? Is it Pelosi? Some other member of Congress? I don't know. But yeah, it goes ICT. I'm just gonna say Trump because the guy's made so much money so far in his second term. And then Pelosi, And then, yeah, put me up there. Give me top 5. All right, no, I lied. It's ICT, it's Trump, it's Pelosi, it's TJR, it's Justin Werlein, Trades by Psy, Mamba FX, Alex G, then me. What do you guys think? W list or no? Nah, not Patrick. He's got orange hair. No, not Patrick. Do I think trades by size? No. Guys, that was clearly rage bait satire if you couldn't tell. No, I don't think trades by size real. Didn't he just get sued? Isn't there a lawsuit with him right now or something? I thought there was a lawsuit or something with like some sort of fraud case. Yeah, I don't know. We got 9:50. We're into the 10 o'clock macro. We got news in 10 minutes. We got news in 10 minutes. But it is starting to look like it wants to maybe give the move here off this 4 hour. I don't want to get caught in this trap though, and then it like dips down one more time here at the news, but that's how, yeah, weak. That's, yeah. The candles were kind of weak and wicking a lot here, but I don't know. The timing might be just a little funky here. Anybody in longs already though? Some of you guys might be trying it out. I did think there was enough time here technically with that 15 close. I think there was enough time here technically before the news if you did want to give this a try, but I don't know. I wasn't like convinced when it happened. Guys in the chat give a lot of guesses, but let's see who the real open position skin in the game guys. Canal's coming for the chat. You should be in a mental hospital if you believe those multi-million-dollar trade posts. Well, and he's trading on MetaTrader, so it's like anybody that's trading on MetaTrader is basically, I just think that tells you all you need to know. MetaTrader, offshore brokerage, it's all fake. Longs are kind of risky. I do like the longs, though. I like the longs, to be honest. 4 hour OB, gap fill. I like it, to be honest. But yeah, obviously, the closer we get to this news event, then the more I want to just wait for that, right? We got PMI news at 10. Just requested my first payout in Apex for 500. Dude, nice, Roger. Congrats, man. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Nice. Looks nice, but the news makes me think otherwise. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, ultimately, I think that, you know, if all works the same, right, should have plenty of opportunity. I should say should have plenty of opportunity to look for that internal to external move on this 1 hour and 4 hour range. In which case, you know, there should be plenty of opportunity to still catch the trade here, but yeah, just did not give me like the displacement down here necessarily that I was kind of trying to hope to see, right? And then as we get like into the macro, we're like really close to the news, so we'll see. I think the news today could just spike us higher. Looks like we already manipulated at the open. Yeah. I'm seeing what you're seeing, right? Yeah, this looks like V-shape. And to me, we got some pretty low resistant highs up here. I mean, this is like clean ass trend line. It's the 5. We did just get this 5-minute inversion finally. Looks ready to pump. Tyler, I've just secured 10K in payouts trading for the year so far after trading for 3 years. Let's go, James. Let's go. You guys are killing it. We got Crypto Surfer snagged a bunch of payouts, posted those. I think he said he was done for the week though, if I'm not mistaken. We got Roger securing. Was that his first payout? He said first payout on Apex. Nice, James. On FX replay, do you turn smooth candle, leave it on? We talked about this yesterday, Mike. I don't know. When I used FX replay in the past, that wasn't an option. I would just use whatever looks the most similar to like the actual chart. I don't know the difference, to be honest, between the smooth candles or not. That literally was never an option when I used FX replay. News in 3 minutes, boys and girls. We'll see what it wants to do. I mean, yeah, it might just spike it up. Might spike it down. I don't know. I trade good for 1 week of following my rules, but then I have one day when I fold my account. Got any advice? Well, sounds like it's just, well, that's pretty common, first of all, but it's really just like a lack of consistency, right? So I've talked about this too. I mean, even in like my first year or two of trading, it's like I would do the same thing. You know, I would just follow my rules really, really strict, great discipline, taking great trades for like a week or two, maybe as much as a month. And then it was just like, it would only ever take one day, like one blow up day to just really delete all of your progress and then some. You know, there's no like one thing I can say that's just going to help and make that perfect for you, but I don't know, man. And eventually you get sick of doing it, right? And then eventually you just learn to walk away with a small red day. My face is glowing. Did you go on a date recently? Come on, confess. All right, you caught me. You caught me, boys. Freshly married. Married to the game. What's up, Bob? Blew your 25K account after 9 months. Well, you know what? It's been 9 months. It was time for you to either have that child or abort it. So, on to a new one, man. For the record, he was in here yesterday saying it was a 25K eval. It's not like a 25K live account, by the way. All right, we got news in 1 minute. Let's see what this wants to do. Is it gonna just pump it straight up? It's gonna kind of make me sad if it does. I'm gonna wish I was in that. I'm gonna wish I was in that from down here. I can withdraw half and keep the other as my max loss limit. Do you recommend to withdraw or to keep trading for now? 25K by the way? Oh, okay. Honestly, yeah, but that's pretty good buffer, I think, for the 25K account. Right? I mean, if you were on a 50K account, you wouldn't even be to like your profit target technically. Yeah, I mean, I would pay yourself, yeah. All right, here we go. 10 a.m. We got a pump literally a minute before. Look at the hourly close here. Now the kicking myself begins as to I should have just entered down here. It would be your first payout. Oh, dude. No brainer. Yeah, pay yourself. Fuck yeah, pay yourself. What are you waiting for? Recommend a withdraw. I mean, there's not like a one size fits all rule for that. I kind of like leaving, so like whatever the max margin is, right? So like a 50K account, usually the max loss is 2K. So I personally usually like to keep that margin at least 2K. Just so I still have the same margin to work with. But if you withdraw a little bit, you know what I mean? If you leave yourself a little bit less margin because you just want to pay yourself, I don't think there's anything wrong with that either. Obviously, if you take out, you want to leave yourself enough cushion to be able to, you know, maintain and keep trading, right? But yeah, I'm a big advocate for paying yourself. I had plenty of funded accounts that I, you know, had a lot of profit in, and I thought I was, you know, didn't need to pay myself. And then you guys know how it is. You know, it only takes one slip up, one bad day to like kind of ruin all of your profit essentially. So yeah, pay yourself. Don't treat it like a savings account, especially not the prop accounts. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush, says PEJW. I've never heard that before. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. I kind of understand, I think, what you're saying. I think I get it. Sounds deep. Sounds poetic. Blew a 10K funded on a 5K payout day. You blew a 10K funded on a 5K payout day. Worst thing I've ever done when I was new. Oh, wait. Like you blew it without taking the payout, you're saying? Are you saying that you could have taken 5K, but you blew it instead? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I don't know. Like in a lot of ways, greed plays a bigger role in a lot of this than most people think. Like obviously, nobody wants to lose money, but you'll notice that even like your unwillingness sometimes to take that $500, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 because you think it's not enough money, and you think it's not enough money because it's not life-changing amount of money. But you know, you do that enough times over the course of a year, it's like that. It really adds up. And then you're reinforcing good habits, right? You're paying yourself for doing the right thing. All right, so I'm looking for a long continuation here. You know, I don't know if we need to come back down, to be honest. I'm waiting to see if we do. But if we got, you know, closure back above here, I honestly think I would look to play the expansion on this 10 a.m. candle with my stop just using the structure here. Put my stop at the current hourly low and look for that distribution up. I don't really see a reason for us to, I mean, there's not really anything for us to come back for down here, right? We're pretty efficient. But perhaps it does. I think maybe we got like a little 5-minute or something. That's what it. If that is the case, then maybe something like this would make sense, right? Come back down to like 50%. I wouldn't mind that just because the risk reward would be a little bit better, but I don't think it needs to happen. I don't know if we need to come back down. I know. Final last words. Well, I said I don't know. I didn't say I don't think we need to come back down. I said I don't know if we need to come back down or not. You know I don't speak in absolutes. But yeah, where's the? Let's see here. Is this our London high right here? No. What the fuck? 7 o'clock. Oh, I guess so. London high is technically like right here. Swing high there, Asia high. Oops. 555. Oops. All right, I'm going to go with the long here. I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to go stop at the current hourly low. Trying to see this hourly candle flip and distribute higher. You know, if it does come deeper down into this hourly wick from the previous hour, I will get ran out. But I'll still be looking for the same thought process later. Spill the beans for the news. Where's the news? The news is at 10. Hopefully NQ can play a little catch up here with ES and YM. YM is mooning right now. YM's mooning, ES is mooning. Good morning, Melda. Trading since, I just say like beginning of 2020, basically. It was like late 2019 when I started like studying. Looking for shorts above 320. Oh, we're not too far from 320. Oh, you like this gap here? I see. I mean, I'm literally just going off this 15-minute hourly, right? Like I think on the higher time frame we're gonna do this. Now, you know, do we get a wick down into here? I don't know, maybe. If we do, I'm gonna get stopped out. All right, we did just take out the Asia high on ES. That's how literally we're just leading right now on ES and YM. I might go break even now. And if this, well, I hope I don't get tagged out break even and then it goes, but I am a little worried that now that we're taking Asia high and ES, that if this does come down, we might come below my stop, in which case I'll get a better entry anyway. And if we just get a follow through here, that'd be nice too. Any prop have discount for July? Yes. So the TRADEIFY one just dropped this morning, 40% off for 5 uses for any accounts. But it turns out if you do like the 5 account bundle, the 40% off 5-time uses, like one bundle counts as 1 use. So just a heads up on that. But yeah, 40% off with TRADEIFY was the one that rolled out this morning. I don't even know what the other ones are doing. I think like Lucid's still doing the ones that if you haven't used them yet, you know, you have the Lucid one still active from before. All right, I'm gonna break even. I'm gonna break even there, boys. ES taking out that Asia high. That was the reason for going break even. Obviously, NQ is in this hourly as well. I just think that this could come lower. Maybe we get still a better entry, perhaps, but it's going to be a little heartbreaking if it just tags me out and goes. Yeah, the bundles for TRADEIFY are with the growth and select plans only. Unless they changed it, but I believe that's still true, yeah. Not sure why that is, though. That is going to be so heartbreaking if this just, like, wicks me out. And then goes. What do you guys think? Wick out in continuation, or do we see a deeper retracement here? What do you guys think? Yeah, YM is the strongest. YSEG, yeah. I mean, look at it right now. I mean, holy shit. I think we're at all-time highs, actually. Not quite, actually. Almost. %, wick out. What's going on, Anwar? What do you mean, what's going on? Sell incoming, I think deeper. Why do I focus on NQ? Me or you? I thought you traded ES. Oh, you said ES so much cleaner? Fuck me, yeah. Holy shit. Took longs on ES and YM today. Nice. Yeah, we got a really nice pump up here to Asia high now on ES. And then NQ is obviously catching a little bit of resistance in this gap right here. And then this range is so big, right? It's like you could easily see a retracement a little bit deeper into like this 1 hour wick, etc. You know, maybe back down to like that 930 opening price. Like it could wick down into here and then like still hold the overall idea for higher, which is what I think will happen more than likely. But where's the But yeah, nothing worse than being like ran out with your stop on an internal like 1 minute low, and then it like ends up holding like the higher time frame structure. You're gonna try shorts? Good luck, man. Thanks for the like, Vincent. How's your trading going? This week kind of shit, to be honest. 2 red days. Well, yesterday could have, should have, would have, could have, should have, would have, could have, would have been a green day, but I would have had to break my rules and close my trade before my target got hit. So instead, I watched it come all the way back against me, stopping me out of break even. So then I had to sit with the 1 loss from before, which was a really bad entry by my part. I tried front running an inversion gap. When all I would have needed to do was wait like 10 more seconds to wait for the candle close. And if I would have waited for the candle close, I would have not taken the trade. So, yeah, yesterday should have been a green day, or could have been, should have been. I don't know how you want to describe it. It shouldn't have been a red day, but it was. Today, just what, break even so far? Can I show the 15-second? No. Nah, Bugs Bunny. I'm joking, Bugs Bunny. Here you go. Here's a 15-second chart. I don't know why you want to see it, though. Do you have a job? Entertaining the chat is my full-time job. It's like herding cats. Yeah, I went break even, Dildo. Dr. Dildo, what's up, man? Yep, break even for me. ES took the Asia high, and we're in this hourly bearish gap, so I don't know if we're going to see a deeper retracement down into this. Or not. It's a short, says Bugs Bunny. Fucking what? Don't let me stop you. Fucking hit the sell button. I think it's a long. I think it's a long. I think it's a long schlong. What up, Doc? Yeah, we're getting real choppy here now. Getting real choppy here now. Hands off the mouse. Oh, God. Oh. TJR says short. Tyler says long. I don't know who to listen to. Just fucking flip a coin, brother. It's not that deep. It'll go up or down. What's this? What's all this stuff with TGR, by the way? I see on Twitter last couple of days with the crypto rug pull thing. Did he rug pull people again in crypto, or what's going on? Wouldn't this be rug pull like 2 or 3 now? At what point do you go to prison? Also, I'm still baffled that Donald Trump made $1 billion from his crypto dealings last year. Again, he did it before? Oh, yeah. That was a while ago, but yeah. Bro, he rug pulled a crypto coin. He rug pulled a prop firm. Like, holy shit. What are the chances of me and you being related? You know, that's a great question, Abdullah Baba, that is a great question. The chances of us being related, I got to tell you, they're not high, but they're never 0. So you're telling me there's a chance. Bingo. What are the odds of a guy like me and a girl like you ending up together? Not good. Not good like 1 in 100. Not good like 1 in a million. So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah! Ow. Have you ever regretted being a trader? Every time I take a stop loss, yes. What kind of question is that? Every time a stop loss is taken, I regret being a trader. Whoever's buying meme coins from influencers deserves to be rug pulled. True. Well, I don't know. I can't say they deserve it. Like, there are people that literally just don't know better, I guess. I don't know. Everybody that gets into the markets wants to believe that everything they see online is wholesome and good, and it's just not the case. It's the markets are ruthless. Every market, the stock market, crypto market, like, it's all ruthless. The goal is always that somebody on the other side of your trade will take your money from you. What's in the coffee? You know, just a couple shots of espresso, a little Americano action, a little splash of some sweet. Wait, it's just like, yeah, just sweet cream, I think, is the flavor. Just a little splash, you know what I'm saying? Definitely don't drink my coffee black. No, sir. I like to actually enjoy my beverages. It's so funny when be a real man and drink your coffee black. It's like, oh, pardon me. I forgot that when you go to a restaurant and you order a black coffee, they stop all the service immediately. They go, guys, check this guy out. Check this guy out. He ordered his coffee black. This guy is a real man. So we put a little splash in there just for the culture. Puts hair on your chest. And probably microplastics in your balls. Did you guys know that they say that we eat like a credit card's worth of microplastics a year? What the hell? Some people work 9 hours a day, 10 with transit. They just don't have time to look up who they are watching to help them trade or whatever they believe they will get out of watching. Yeah, that's true too, Dr. Dildo. Good point. Good point, Dr. Dildo. All right, one of two things is going to happen here, boys. Either we're accumulating to actually drop below this range and then set up the long again, or this is just going to blast off in a similar fashion to this candle, but over here. In which case, that would be pretty depressing, but what are you going to do, right? That's his name. Dr. Dildo's his name. What do you want me to do? I'm pretty sure this profile picture is like Jimmy Neutron or something. Let me see. No, I thought that was Jimmy Neutron's hair. I guess it's actually just a rainbow-colored dildo. May you tell us how your day goes? Oh, fuck. You said wake up. I was like, what? From wake up to sleeping at night? But he wants to know. He want to know from the moment my eyes open to the moment my eyes shut at the end of the day. Is that what you're asking me? What kind of question is that? I don't know. It depends on the day. Well, let's see here. I wake up. I piss excellence. That's step number one, right? And then I come to the charts, ready to make my fortunes. You know, before I do that, though, I do my Superman multi-billion-dollar morning routine, which is top secret, by the way. I can't release what I do for that right now, but there'll be a free PDF and then eventually a full-blown course about that. So stay tuned. And then after that, we like to come here, you know, predict the market with extreme precision. You know, make anywhere from a doctor's salary to a member of Congress's salary. And then from there, I climb into one of my 3 Bugattis. And I just go where the wind takes me. And then usually it's a blur. And then before I know it, it's time for bed and do it all over again. And then I wake up. Get it? Oh, what's up, SMC? Haven't seen your streams in a few months. Good job, bro. You look way leaner. Thanks, man. Thanks. I never realized, I guess, how much of a fat fuck I was. You guys have really been taking notice. That too, Bouncing Scout. That one stuck with you, huh? Oh, the daily phone call with BB. Yeah, that's just such a... Sometimes I don't even answer, right? Like, sometimes I'm just... He gets it, though. I'm busy. Same routine as Nancy, but without the drinks. ES is shooting up. Well, we're kind of stalling here a little bit after Asia High was taken on ES. Do 10 push-up when you lose a trade. It's not a bad idea. Listen, if you guys want to, if you guys want to look leaner like me, and you guys want to look like Kevin in the chat, every time you guys lose a trade, 10 push-ups. And every time you break your rules, do 20. Every time you blow an account, 30. Listen, we'll have you boys jacked and unprofitable before we know it. You know what I'm saying? You were a little chubby, but perfect to our eyes. Thanks, man. They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, after all. You have to answer or he might kirk you. Oh, no. Who do you guys think killed Charlie Kirk, by the way? Was it Tyler Robinson or no? Happy 2-year. Thanks, level-headed. You think chop day before NFP? I don't know what you mean by chop per se. I do think we get a move today. But yeah, it is the day before NFP, so. All right, well, ended up being a good break-even decision. It didn't tick me out and go to TP. It did go print a new hourly low now, so let's see if we get a little deeper dig. We got like a little 10-minute gap. This is like the cleanest fair value gap in this leg. There's nothing on the 15-minute. This down close candle maybe acts as an OB from 9:30 open. 5-minute. I mean, there's like a little 5-minute down here, I guess. But yeah, this 10-minute I thought was the cleanest. The most beautiful thumb head. That's what I'm talking about. Any reason you didn't take the inversion? Which inversion? The one down here? If you're asking about this one, I don't know. I just kind of like wasn't super convinced, and then like by this time it was already 9:50. We had news at 10, so that was why. But yeah, ultimately I want to see longs off this 4-hour. But who knows? You guys got to remember we're in this weekly range, so who's to say? Who's to say that this weekly candle doesn't wick all the way back down and then we close like a bearish candle? Wouldn't that be nuts? Would you guys be surprised or no? You have a theory. He's a Freemason, faked his own death, psyop. But you're also a flat earther. Oh. Yeah, I don't think he's still alive, personally. I mean, anything's possible, I guess, but I do think he is passed on. By the way, like the stream for a giveaway. Amen, PEJW. PEJW is trying to get himself to mod status. He's trying to earn his way to mod status. Listen, PEJW. You keep chatting like that, you might just get it. I have the, but yeah, like the stream, guys, because we will do, you know, like up the stream. We'll do even a couple giveaways today, just in honor of 2 years of streaming, brand new month, etc., etc. So like up the stream, guys. Don't be stingy with the likes. If you're stingy with your likes, the market will be stingy with your take profits. That's how that kind of works. You know what I'm saying? You can't receive if you don't give type shit. What's up, Sandsun Beach? Yep, we took one long, and I took one long. I got break even on it. Just waiting now. Dr. Dildo says he likes the stream for free. No giveaway needed. My God, see, that's a real one right there. Dr. Dildo. Listen, Dr. Dildo, the first time I saw your name in this chat, I wouldn't have thought you were that kind of guy, but after further review, I got to tell you, Dr. Dildo, that's a good guy right there. Nika goes, how did I get mod status? I'm always mean. Well, that's the thing, Nika, is we kind of need to have like a yin and yang, you know what I'm saying? It can't just be an echo chamber always from the top down. It's got to be, dare I say, diverse. I didn't that sounds bad. That makes it sound like I only gave you the mod status because you're black. That's not why I gave you the mod status. You're an OG in the chat. But hey, it's good. It's good that you got it. You know what I'm saying? We need a little attitude too. Oh, I saw, as soon as I said it, I was like, fucking A. That sounds so bad. Oh. Get canceled yet? Tyler, bro, thank you for many for that 15-second chart. Got you, Bugs Bunny. Got you, Bugs Bunny. You could have said because you are a girl, Tyler, LMAO. Listen, I hate to assume people's gender these days. Oh, brother. Made almost 24K today. Dude, give me some money. Let me hold like a 5 or something. Are you a boy, Tyler? You can say that. All right, we hit the 50% of the move up here. So we just tagged 50%. Getting a nice little bounce here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 1037. Yeah, honestly, boys, I might wait for this 5-minute close. And then if we get like a nice bullish candle, I might just enter off that and put my stop at this low, to be honest. Because I'm feeling frisky. You don't like to assume? Yeah, we've all been there. We've all been there. Listen, guys, I actually had, that actually kind of happened to me recently. I shit you not. There was actually a, where was I at? I was at the gym. And there was a, like, as I'm going into the guys' locker room, there was a, well, I'm also in the guys' locker room, so I'm thinking that everyone in there is a guy. So I come around the corner, and there was, like, what I thought was a man bent over, like, cleaning, like, something on the floor. And I was like, oh, excuse me. I was like, excuse me, sir. And it was a girl. She fucking gets up and looks at me. I'm like, oh, fuck. It was like a, I don't even know. It was like probably like a 50, like late 50s woman. And I was like, oh, fuck. Short hair, you know. What have I done? Probably just ruined her whole day. I didn't even have like the courage to be like, I'm sorry. I was just like, I need to get out of here. I felt so bad. And then we fell in love. Moral of the story, boys. Ditch the pickup lines. Start insulting. They love it. They love it. I don't know why they love it, but they do. Girls are weird, man. Girls are so weird. They like getting... they like the verbal abuse. Don't you, ladies? Don't ya, ladies? Yeah, guys, I'm going long. I'm doing it. I'm long. Go and stop at the low here on the 5 minute. Give me liberty or give me death. Young trap lord, it sounds like you're right on time. I have parent timing. Is that good? Is parent timing good? Uh-oh. That's not good. There's no way that's good. I don't think that's good. What would your friend do with his kids? What? Yeah, this doesn't look hot. This does not look hot, does it? No, it doesn't. What time is it? 43 almost? Oh boy, not looking good here. Moment of truth with this gap right here. It's either going to crush me or we're going to inverse it, but doesn't look good. No lower wick here. Oh, God. Abdullah Baba, I'm not sure. but that'd be nice. It will go a little bit short and then long. That's what I think. You're saying I might be early here, Bugs Bunny? You might be right. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. 15's about to close. Yeah, we're about to get stopped here. Yeah, there we go. Stopped up. Had it in her mouth and the kids walked in. Did you get your LED sign from that Asian dude on TikTok? No. No, I think I just ordered it on Amazon. All right, we'll see here. We got new 15-minute. Man. Previous 15-minute closed heavier than anticipated. We're digging really, really deep into this wick if this wick is going to actually hold, but perhaps this weekly range is going to do the unthinkable and actually fucking start to flip this candle back. And in which case, I'll see you boys in August. No, I'm just kidding. $9.35 is your target. Oh, Asia from yesterday. Yeah, we just got to get through all of this to get there, you know? Got to get through all of this to get there, which maybe it's going to do here in the next 30 minutes. Do I trade August? I do. I do indeed. Morass, you just got here? Did you take anything? You literally just missed it. I took a long earlier, break even on it, and then I tried one more long here on this structure after we hit 50%. Right here. I entered off the 5-minute close. Just dug lower here. So yeah, I'm one break even, one loss right now. Both longs. Wow. Thanks, Blake, for the unk alert. Where do you guys get these from? Where do you guys even get these? That's cool. Super stickers? Is that what those are? Are those super stickers? What even are these? What even are these? No, that's not it. Right? Or no, is it? Unk alert. Is that what that is? Is that a super sticker? I'm trying to like find where you guys even find these at. Spoiler alert. That's not it. I actually don't know where you guys find these things. What the? Thank you for the jewels. Blake, you're a real one, man. Unk alert and 2 jewels. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Alrighty. Well, let's see here. We got macro incoming. I'm still bullish. I feel like I just have to stay bullish until like this fails. which is what I told you guys I was going to do already today, right? Like, be kind of foolish for me to like try to front run the short here for me, but you know, if this fails, I do think my eyes do shift to these lows and potentially that previous weekly low for tomorrow. Maybe even, you know, we start trading a good chunk of the way down there today. But yeah, I'm gonna be bullish until that happens, I guess. The UNC is like $5 to send. Big spender, dude. Thank you for the UNC status. The UNC alert. I would be offended, but as soon as we end up reinstituting the draft and all the youngins are getting drafted, you know, we'll see who's really laughing with all this UNC stuff, you know? We'll see who's laughing. We'll be over here trading, getting stopped out, and you guys will be hitting stop loss like in real life. Oh shit. Could you imagine? Oh no. Sent happy poop for 10 joules. Wow. Happy poops are always good. Long right now. Yeah, we'll see. I'm open to going long again. I just want to see what we do here with this structure, I guess. I think if we do actually inverse here, I may go ahead and long one more time. All right, man. I'm going for it again. I think if this fails, I'm actually wrong here, and I think we do end up breaking down. Uno más in the macro. Let us see. Wow, ES is fucking flying, bro. Holy pop. So yeah, we did. Well, hang on here. Let's see. Hourly 15. I mean, if this is where we bounced, we came down to the 15-minute rejection block. But yeah, honestly, if this fails at this rate, I do think that this hourly ends up flipping. And then, yeah, we're probably going here and ultimately toward that previous weekly low. OTE2. Yeah, well, pretty deep OTE here. But yeah. $786. Yeah, in the macro. Here's ES. ES catching a bounce off the 15-minute right here. Searching for that high. Thank you, Michael. Good to see you, man. Good to see you, Michael. Is that rejection block you've heard? It is. Yeah, I don't necessarily like enter off rejection blocks, but obviously you can use them as a PD array for rejection. Like I wait for bounces off of them in confirmation and I trade that, but like I said yesterday, I feel like I don't know, man. I feel like the last couple of weeks waiting for confirmation has actually been part of the reasoning for a little bit of I don't know. Waiting for confirmation has not been kind, really. A lot of inducement. So we shall see. I mean, ES looks good here on the 15. 5 minutes left till the 15 close. 5 minutes left to the hourly close. Yeah, KVN. I don't know, man. If that's the case, I'm just going to chalk it up to this weekly range being the fucking devil of this market. I mean, I came into this week, guys, I'm bearish to previous weekly low, right? So if we trade all the way up here just to go back to that previous weekly low at this point, I'm just going to actually kill myself. I'm just like, it's just over for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, how the fuck? How the fuck is a guy like me supposed to live? NQ hates Tyler. NQ does fucking hate me this week. I'm literally, especially because I didn't close my trade yesterday. Yeah, if this fails, I'll be red every day this week. Not a good week. It's all jokes, Dr. Dildo. It's how I cope. I cope with the market fucking me by just joking about blowing my shit smooth off. It makes me feel better. I don't know if it probably doesn't make anybody else feel better, but it makes me feel better. Jonesy, I know. I'm well aware of the hourly gap, man. I'm putting my fucking faith in this 4-hour gap and 4-hour order block, though. And we inverse all this. It's like, goodness. I'm just sticking to my plan. I said I was going to be bullish until this fails, and then I'll be bearish. But getting cut up in the process kind of sucks. That looks like a dog. I mean, it looks so bad. Bro, do I just cut the fucking trade? That's awful. So bad. Now my trading view is not loading. There we go. Bro, I don't even know anymore. I can't do anything. I can't do anything right this week, honestly. Gosh, bro, that sucks. All right, probably another stop out incoming. Like the stream, boys and girls. Goodness gracious. I'm going to do a giveaway and get out of here, man. Because, my God. Oh. Sometimes believe words are spells. My ex told me this once. And ever since I watch real careful what I joke about, she was kind of a witch, not going to lie. Wait, did you just change your name? Oh my God, Dr. Dildo just changed his name from Dr. Dildo to Dr. Christ King. Dr. Christ King. Oh my goodness. What a switch up. How do you... I mean, what the... That's like literally the polar opposite. That's funny. Christ is king. I agree, but that's funny. The switch up is polarizing. Oh my! Now we're gonna be saved. You know what? Market. I submit. I submit to whatever you're doing to me. I don't even know what this is. I can't take it though. You need to not do this to me. My personal thoughts after June 15th, trading has become much harder after the gap. Price action is ugly as fuck. Thank you for the super chat, W. Aaron. Good to see you, man. I'm not going to say I'm saved yet, but just because I don't want to jinx it, but wow. Obviously, I thought I was cooked here. Might still be. We'll see. Thank you, Kookie, for the 1,000 jewels, man. Thank you for the 1,000 jewels. That's a lot of jewels. That's a fuck ton of jewels, isn't it? Huh? That sounds like a lot of jewels. All right, I guess we'll see. What do we want to do here? Just a wick on the 5? Or a flip incoming? 2-minute imbalance there. I don't like that we're slowing up right here. Burst. Burst onto the scene, NASDAQ. Yo, do I add to this? Do I add to this trade? I might add to this if this closes above here. Bashi says no. Read into premium so you can ride it back down? Lone Wolf. Come on. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I literally, my stop loss like never gets saved by that little amount. Usually I always get ticked out and then it like, if anything, SMTs. Yeah, I'm usually not that kind of a lucky guy. That's how I know I'm not Irish. I'll take it though. ES is bussin'. ES is absolutely bussin'. Oh, INQ's got to be such a pain. Oh. Missed my close. Come back down. Let me add to you. Let me add to this. Let me fucking add to this trade. Come back down. If it retests this level, I'm adding. I'm gonna add, boys. I'm gonna do it. Feeling naughty. Feeling real naughty. Absolute godsend here. Dare I say rejection block on the fucking 1 minute. Oh. That's crazy. That is crazy. I'd like to thank God. I'd like to thank my family. I'd like to thank the Academy. I'd like to thank ICT. Debbie says, don't be naughty. Debbie, come on. Let's live a little. It's going to be the 4th of July. It's going to be the 4th of July. I feel like a revived man. I mean, my stop loss was saved by the gods here. That's crazy. Debbie, I just want to feel young again. You know what I mean? I just want to feel young again. Come on, a little bit more. Am I being stingy by requiring? I want to see this. I want to see this structure get hit. Come on. A little lower. Let me add to you. Oh, I'm being stingy with it. I'm being stingy with it. Fuck. Holy, dude, ES is busting right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, ES is almost back to the high. Guys, look how much difference there is here. Look at the Look at the structural difference. Let me delete these lines here, sorry. Look how far behind on NQ we are right now. Like, what is this? Why's it gotta be like that? Why am I not in ES? What on God's green earth made me want to trade NQ instead? Ooh. All right. I'm going to add one here if we can get that CISD level. I kind of want to add just so I can partial a little bit when ES does take the high, the previous day high. I am being real stingy about it though. Precision Lab. What the? Precision Labs. I'm gonna need you to explain that to me. How do you have a name like Precision Labs and you're saying things like don't wait for the OB? All right, I added one more. It's do or die time, chat. Stop is 148, 149 almost. How do you got a name like Precision Labs and you're sitting here not advocating for precision? You know what I mean? That's a little confusing. Too late, Bugs Bunny. You already did. Sorry, Kevin Lee. Can't do it. We're in this together, my friend. Ugh. You're break even. Oh boy. Oh boy. If this fails, you're gonna crash out. We'll crash out together. Yeah. There's no way ES doesn't take out previous day high at this point, right? That equal low will cook you, Tyler. All right, Bashi, you're going in timeout. Last two messages from Bashi were an I told you so message, and you're going to get cooked. So you know what that means, Bashi? Go in timeout. Think about what you've done. Maybe take a shower. You naughty, naughty boy. You naughty, naughty boy, Bashi. Listen, it's not about whether I get cooked or not. It's about whether or not I have to also read your messages while I do it. You know what I'm saying? Can't have that. Cannot have it. New POC at 205. Sweet. It is 11:11, so the 11 a.m. macro didn't do anything more than this. $15-minute here? Are you fucking me? Are you shitting me? So my stop is at 148 right now, but mentally, you know, I don't know. If we come back down to like this hourly price, this hourly opening price and close down there, I might just kill this trade once and for all. Every time, boys. When I don't trade versus when I trade. Lord, save me. Yes. Yes. Go. Go. Please. ES is really close to the previous day high, by the way, 567. Oh my gosh, guys, this market. I can't breathe. If you jinx it again, I'm coming to your house and touching you. Hey, Tim, bro, nothing I say even matters at this point. I was so like, I was ready to crash out. I'm cooked. And then we get saved. So I kind of saved it here with a reverse jinx. Now, you know, maybe I'm jinxing it back the other way. Complaining again when it's down here. Now it's going back up. We just got to basically speak all of our doubts out loud, and it just seems to work. That's why Dr. Christ King in the chat, I think it was Dr. Christ King, he was saying, don't joke, because he said words are spells. You know, I used to think that as well, right? And there's maybe a little bit of truth to it, but that would be like, I also like don't think that, I don't know, I don't take that too literally. I think words matter when there's true intention behind them. You know what I'm saying? It's just like people going in the mirror every day and saying like affirmations and shit, but they never like do anything about it. Are they going to become a millionaire just because they say it into the mirror? Probably not, right? Hey, Tyler, have you got any word if we'll see a 4th of July sale with props like last year? Great question, Crypto Surfer. Debbie was also asking me that as well. There's nothing that I'm aware of that's going to be coming that hasn't already been announced. The one that was announced was the 40% for TRADEIFY so far. The biggest piece maybe about that is the discount, you know, includes the bundles, and the 5 uses includes like one bundle purchase is 1 use. So like essentially you could have up to like what? 25 accounts technically. Obviously that's a lot of accounts. Hopefully you only need 5 because you can only have 5 fundeds anyway, but nonetheless, like that's all we got for right now, unless I missed something while I've been streaming, but I don't think I did. I don't have any like pre knowledge of anything. All right, I'm going break even here, guys. New high or new structural high here. Took out these 1 minute equal highs. Back to the previous hourly opening price. Oops. Oh, what did I do? What's going on here? Oh. Which would be an hourly rejection block that's bearish. So, therefore, I'm break even here. Please give us some delivery for the love of all things holy. Please. Can you stop this choppiness? Of course, ES is slowing down like just before this previous day high. What a delivery on ES though, man. Oh my gosh. What a delivery on ES though today. NQ is actually depressing me. Guys, just look at this difference. Look at this contrast. How? Why? Oh, great. No 15-minute lower wick on this candle. Nice. Sick. Love that. Love that for us. No break even. TP or stop loss. All right, Varun. I wish you luck. I'm not going to do that, but you can. I'm not going to do that. I think it looks good, though. I mean, 30-minute, hourly, 15. We just need to clear this area, I think, with some displacement. We're good. But it has been a battle. Do I believe in time travel? I don't think so. But I could be convinced, maybe. NQ is right on VWAP, Daddy chill. Well, tell VWAP to shut the fuck up. Tell VWAP to sit down. Trying to see like what. So this 8:30 open. Like a 1.9. Looks like a 2R would be like almost just here. Crazy. Is there a giveaway today? I'm asking you guys that. If you guys like the stream, there will be a giveaway today. There might even be a couple of giveaways today in honor of our 2-year anniversary. But we got to run the likes up, boys and girls. We need we need at least 250. Come on. That is not even asking a lot. 250. We got 4th of July, 250th anniversary of the United States. 2-year anniversary of streaming. 250 likes, chat. Let's do it. Come on. Let's do it. What do you say? One Lucid account, one TRADEIFY account. Come on. Let's make it happen. I believe in you. Let's make it happen. Let's make babies. Let's make sweet love. All right, so right here, ES is taking out the previous day high, by the way. So if you would like to partial, now might be a decent time for it, or fully out, whatever you manage your trade however you want, basically. But I'm gonna hold this because I'm a greedy little freaking piglet who needs to make up for some L's. I'm a greedy pig. I don't care. Give me liberty or give me death. Married for 2 years already. Yes, it's been a happy marriage. Only a couple of fights. Only a couple of disagreements. You know, it'd be nice if you guys would ask me, like, or when I ask you where you want to go to eat dinner, you at least give me some input from time to time. I don't know, whatever you want, you pick. Goldback thingy, what's that? Goldback thingy. I don't know what you're asking me. All right, I'm going to partial at that high. And now, boys, we fucking send it. All right, well, we're secured green off that. Off the partial. Can we get more? We really, really need to see. I mean, it's just scary because we've already hit the objective on ES. We needed to keep going. Right? Nah, I'm going to put my stop back down here. Well, that's not a nice reaction. We need to go. Come on. We need to go. I don't like this 15-minute no lower wick, though. 5 minutes with a little devil's mark there, ain't it? A little devil's mark there. Yeah, guys, you guys say give you the Tyler mindset, but what's funny is I was literally freaking the fuck out down here. I thought I was so screwed. They saved me, man. They saved me. Didn't close my trade, though. Didn't close my trade. Gonna take the stop like a real man. Oh, my God. Gave me at least... That gave me at least one more gray hair. Honestly, man, I don't want to jinx it, but ES is moving pretty strongly through the previous day high right now. So all is well. All is well. I took one partial already. If the trader. I took one partial here at this high. And we're kind of just chilling right here right now. I'm gonna warn you, there might be very sharp reversal before lunch, then it would continue further up. Maybe. What are you thinking, Christ King? You're thinking something like this, sweep all this out, and then go to the promised land, or what? I don't know. I kind of think if that happens, we go lower. I think the hourly is just like I think this is gonna be important, right? Like if we lose this hourly on a closing basis, it's probably lower we go, right? Five-minute gap right there. Put in the wick on that previous 5-minute candle. So yeah, man, we'll see if we can get some delivery here. Trying to give it room to work in here on this 5-minute, you know, and not trail too tight on the rest. But I've already secured green on the day, a little green on the day with the partial. So really, if we can get delivery, kind of just a bonus. But like I said, manage your trade however you would like, boys and girls. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me if it comes all the way back. Thank you, Lone Wolf. I knew you did. I knew you did, Lone Wolf. Nika added in this 5-minute gap. Damn. Oh, all right, guys. If you want to see delivery to the target here, we're going to need to hit the like button. The likes are good karma. Every time we don't run the likes up, the market reverses. That's how I know. That's how I know there's too many haters. We need the likes. The likes are good luck. You guys, oh, you know what we've been forgetting lately? Dude, what have I been doing this week? I keep forgetting the monkey. How did I forget the monkey all week? No wonder I've been losing. That was stupid. That was stupid, huh? But yes, guys, hit the likes. Let's get 50 more likes so we can do 2 giveaways today, all right? I mean, you don't need to stop at 250. You could go to 300, 400. I mean, it don't matter to me. We could do more giveaways if you do that, but I know how you guys are, you know. And drink your coffee black? Definitely not. Definitely not that. Definitely not that. Pump it up, don't you know? Bump it up. You've got to bump it up, don't you know? Bump it up. Monkey at the bottom, banana as the goal. Well, the thing is the way that I look at it, the inner light trader, is I look at it like this. So obviously the monkey wants the banana, right? So what we want to do is make the banana the price. So that way price is escorting, if you will, the banana to the monkey, right? That's what we want. What's my fave coffee? What do you mean by that? I don't even know. I have like an espresso machine. I get espresso beans. It grinds them up. And I usually just make myself an Americano. A little splash of coffee or a little splash of creamer. And we're good to go. I'll tell you, boys, what does slap in the afternoon. If you guys looking for a little afternoon pick-me-up, what does slap is if you guys, you don't even need an espresso machine. You could like run to Starbucks, get like a couple shots of espresso, get a cup or whatever. Grab like those Fairlife protein shakes. Grab like a vanilla protein shake. Dump it in, 2 shots of espresso, either Starbucks or, you know, make it at home or whatever. Oh, it's good. Get the protein in there. On ice, by the way. So good. It's like a little latte. It's like a little latte. Nika's out. After you added Nika. Yeah, I mean, I really don't want to see like, heavy retracement, right? I don't think anybody that's holding a trade does. Where would I cut this if it did? I don't know, like this 3-minute looks pretty clean. Like if we got like a 3-minute change in the state here, maybe I'd be willing to close just to secure the extra there. But hopefully we just maintain order flow here. Final last words, I know. Well, yeah. I mean, you could do that if you want. Like, you're saying trailed to here, right? This is the OB. That's what you're saying? I'm kind of more so worried about the closing of these candles. Like, we could wick down into this rejection block on the 3-minute and hold. This rejection block traded down into this gap. 5-minute. I mean, it's a perfect... Like, 5-minute looks clean still. Like, nice strong close. Nice immediate rebalance on this candle. There we go. Starting to push. There we fucking go, dude. Yes. More of this. But no, I don't know. I'm not gonna let it come all the way back unless we get like some scam wick. I'm not gonna let it come all the way back to my break even on the rest. I'll definitely for sure secure it at some point. But I'm just not gonna trail my stop up here. I don't need to jam it up there, you know? Oh God, spoke too soon. I love living and dying with every 1-minute candle. We're hitting this OB right here. Just prior to 8:30. I don't like that. All right, I'm gonna go one more off there just to be a little safe. I don't like this 1 minute. The only problem about adding is it moves your average fill up a little bit. And when you close contracts, it closes your earlier ones first. But yeah, like I said, I think if we see price come down in here and close, I'll probably just cut it on this last one. Yeah, Lone Wolf, I think we're not done yet either, but... Well, I should say I hope we're not done yet either. I could just see... You know, I could see it being done just because ES took out that previous day high. When I say being done, I mean just like, you know, if ES wants to retrace deep into here... Well, what's that gonna say about NQ, which is far weaker, right? We keep holding this gap too, right? New 15-minute opens up. We sweep the previous 15-minute high. Like, is it too weak, right? I don't know. But we'll manage it the best we can. All right, 1 minute left on this 3-minute candle. Very sharp here. Five-minute. I don't know. Maybe it's not even worth closing with the one left. Greed really is a real thing in a chat. I just really want this move. I just really want this move. I already partialed twice, interlight trader. I literally have one contract left. I already partialed twice. Green on the day. I do feel like being kind of fucking greedy, though. I'm not gonna lie. Might be my downfall. Oh, shit. Tomorrow's going to be wild. It might be wild. I'm like so... This weekly range is just such a... such a bitch, to be honest. All right, man. I think moment of truth here. We tag the 5-minute. We tag the 5-minute. Nice wick rejection here. Would love... I was going to say I would have loved for this to get inversed here. Then we just trail right there. It's not holding, I guess. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, we got the 3-minute close there. 5-minute tag. Hopefully we can get this inverse. I'll feel better about it. And then we can trail here. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's always tough, like especially yesterday, dude. Obviously, being up so many points in profit and then like letting it come back. Obviously, I took partials today, so I secured green either way. But like, I don't know. It's always not as satisfying having to hold through. But like, look at the 5 minute, you know, look at the 5 minute of just like what we've been up against so far this morning, right? Like, you know, NQ's just not playing ball right now. Four. I had 4 contracts on because I added one. Christ is king. So I've taken 3 off. I have 1 left. Yeah. We'll see if we get closure here. I might just cut it. Secure that extra $100. Just hit 50% of that 5 minute gap. Little 1 minute down close candle here. Can we get a little support? It's kind of the problem when you start looking for like reasons to hold on to a trade. You'll end up holding it all the way back. Thanks, Crypto Server. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, hit the like, guys. We'll do a giveaway as soon as this trade is over, which if we close like below this 50% of this 5 minute gap and like below here, I'm just going to cut it, I think. Or I'm at least going to like trail it right up to that low. Yeah, hit the likes, guys. 250 likes, we'll do a couple. We'll do at least one for sure, but if you get to 250 likes, we'll do 2. So up to you. There we go. Nice. There we go. Shit. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and trail this. Come on, baby. Bashi, you did get banned. Yeah, Bashi, do you remember why you got banned? You were saying I was going to get cooked on my long here. Any update on that? Or see, now I can talk my shit. Tight shit. In your defense, Bashi, I thought I was actually cooked. Well, at least YM is pumping new highs, so that's good. Maybe the NASDAQ is just not able to go because Michael Burry opened up. Did you guys see that? I don't know if it's true or not, but I saw a post on Twitter last night that said Michael Burry opened up shorts on Nvidia, Tesla, and like a couple other like AI tech companies. Probably irrelevant, but don't be petty, bro. Nah, fuck that. I'm gonna be petty. The fuck kind of advice is that, Lone Wolf? Don't be petty, bro. Nah. I'm gonna stoop. Don't be petty, bro. I've never gotten a reward for not being petty, so I'm gonna be petty. Within reason, though, you know. Trail out here. Be the bigger man. Nope. Fuck that. Do I ever look at oil? Nah. I mean, we traded it. I traded it in 2023 for a little bit in August when NQ was like god awful. It was just choppy. Listen, Lone Wolf, I put them in timeout. If they come back for more, I mean, what am I supposed to do? I'm going to just, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be like them. Give them a taste of their own medicine. How else do you correct bad behavior? All right, guys, I'm trailed out on the last contract there. So that is it, I think, for this move for now. I guess, or at least it's it for me. 15-minute gap down in here. It's just such a back and forth range. But honestly, I'm just happy that that didn't freaking tick me out on my stop and then reverse, because oh my gosh, was it close. The low of that candle was 144 and my stop loss was 136. In this market, 8 points saved. Crazy, man. Literally needed every point of the stop there. Did anybody get stopped out on this, by the way? Like, was your stop, like, tighter? Let me know. Let me know. You did hear big dogs were taking profits on the AI stocks? Yeah, I think markets will keep... I do think markets overall will trend higher still. As we get closer to the midterms. I think we did just tag a 15-minute, right? Yeah, a little 15-minute gap here. This 15-minute candle has no lower wick. And another 15-minute gap down here. I don't know if it wants to dig into that or not. I don't know if it wants to dig into that or not, but all right, guys. Hey, let's run these giveaways, shall we? Let's run these giveaways. What do we have for likes? 218 likes. All right, so we're doing one giveaway for sure. If we get 32 more likes, we'll do 2. We're doing 1 for sure here. All right, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls. I'm giving you extra time to like it, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a Google form here. And we'll run we're either going to run a race if they work. I don't know if they work yet, but if not, we're going to do the spinning wheel. But I do need to get your guys' personal information first. I should find a better way to do this, though, maybe. Name. Honestly, I don't even really need your email. No, that's not true. Actually, I probably should have it just as a backup. I should have it as a backup. Hang on, I gotta collect some data here real quick. 3 months. Let's see who's the OGs. All right. Price is pulling back into that deeper 15 at least for now. All right, guys. Giveaway form is in the chat. I'm going to go ahead and pin this as well. Giveaway form is in the chat, guys. If you want to be in the giveaway/giveaways today, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, fill out the Google form here. I'm going to see if these duck races work yet. In the meantime, I'm going to give you guys like lunch macro, by the way. I'm going to give you guys like 3 minutes, all right? 3 minutes to fill out the form. If you guys would like to be in the giveaways today, hit the like button. And then we will give away for sure 1 account, maybe 2 accounts. If you guys are feeling frisky, though. Does the duck race work yet? Nope. Duck race doesn't work yet, boys. That's so crazy. They actually scammed me. Camel race? Brother. What do I do? Who do I call? Who do I message? I feel like I need to get a refund at least. Actual scam. The spinning wheel, yeah, the spinning wheel works no problem. No problemo. Oh, I got a good idea. This worked last time as well. If we don't get to 250 likes, I'm just going to run the second giveaway account with the mods of the channel only. Which will be between basically 3 people. Only got 3 mods at the moment. I wonder who else is deserving of being a mod. I guess we'll see. Like, who's the OGs really of the channel? I know PEJW is trying to make a strong case. Debbie's trying to make a strong case, probably, right? Trying to think who's DeLucas, Jonesy. Man. Anyone? We definitely need some more mods in the Discord too. Ooh, yeah, who wants to be a mod in the Discord? Also, guys, if you haven't already, join the private Discord, or the public Discord. It's a free Discord, !point Discord in the chat. I'm going to facilitate the giveaway codes in here anyway, so even if you win, hop on in here. And if you guys feel ever so inclined, share your trades from today. Let me know how you guys did, what you took. And we're going to run the giveaway here in like another minute, all right? So you guys got a minute to fill out the form. The form is pinned in the chat. If you guys haven't filled it out yet, fill it out quickly, and then we'll get rolling here. Ooh, wait, what happened? Oh, no, you didn't get picked up. No way. TTP. Oh, no, dude. I've been there, TTP. You've seen that happen to me literally live more than once. Long. Nice. Struggle with daily bias. Let's go first. Anticipated bearishness. I got confused again. Gotcha. Yeah. What do we got here, Dom? Yeah, you took the entries prior to the news. Yeah. I mean, those are honestly, like, ironically enough, your best trade today, I think, actually was that. Well, I mean, other than the one we just took, it just took forever, right? The one we took was good, but it just took so long. Now it's pulling back, yeah. Well, at least we partialed most of the trade and then trailed the last contract. It's pulling back real heavy here. NASDAQ, man. Break even, Lev. Hang on. Short. Oh, did you just, Lev, did you close this just out of, like, you didn't like the chop? I'm assuming. I was going to say, otherwise, I don't see why you went break even otherwise. Oh, you longed after this, you dirty dog. No way. Nice. That's clean. See, this is like my OCD likes this. My OCD likes when it's one arrow on both sides of a trade. That's like what my OCD brain loves to see. I guess I danced with the devil for too long. What happened? Oh, fuck. See, that's usually how it goes for me. I never get my stop saved like that usually. But I'm going to be very happy that it did. What's going on here, by the way? Sean? Oh, what is this? What is this? Why does it look like that? Live cattle futures? What the fuck? What platform is this? It looks like TradingView almost. Is it not TradingView? Why does it look like this though? That's what I'm confused about. Like, why does it say short entry? Like, are these just drawings? I'm confused. Anyway, boys, all right. What's up, Mike? A nice green day for Mike as well. Let's go. Oh no, Jonesy, what happened? No, bro. Where was your entry though? Oh, fuck. That sucks. Like, did you enter up here? And then you got stopped at this low? No, that doesn't make sense. Jonesy, what happened, man? Why'd you close it? Took partial at the 4-hour CE, I think is what you said, right? Took partial of H4 CE. What time frame is this? 3 minute? M5. So you longed, stopped out, relonged, I think. Oh, this is on ES as well. Oh, okay. I was like, wait, what? Nice. Yeah, dude, ES was so much cleaner than NQ today. Although, like, oh no, I just missed your sell limit, Bucktooth. Bucktooth, come on. L on the day, payouts for the month. We go again in July. Let's go, man. Fuck yeah. Congrats, E-Trades. Well deserved, my man. We'll take a L day. They'll win a couple battles. We'll win the war, right? Fucking A. Come on, Z-Trades. What was I about to say, though? I already brain farted here. Oh, I was going to look at ES real quick. And then let's run this giveaway here. But I honestly don't know, like, where, let's see if we traded ES today, where we would have wanted to execute. Let's go full. Because, like, what did we trade? So, yeah, it is the same structure. 4-hour order block, 4-hour imbalance, which oddly enough was filled already. And then we re-sweep this wick low. What does it look like on the hourly here? This is like at 9:30 open, right? This is 9 a.m. Yeah. So 9 a.m. we wick this low again, dig into that order block. Let's see here, 5 minute. Where's our 9:30 open? Right here. I mean, shit. Honestly, you couldn't have gone wrong no matter what you did, honestly. You could have, like, front ran on the 1 minute, and it just would have been painless. Or even if you waited for this 5 minute, let's say, right? Let's say you waited for this 5 minute inversion, like, or even the CISD, it literally doesn't matter what you did here. You would have been fine. You would have been fine, and you could have put your stop anywhere here, and it would have not been tagged out. Got a little choppy here above this range, but like 5 minute, 15 minute, just look at this chart. It's like, it's actually perfect. Go figure. Thanks for nothing, NASDAQ. Asshole. All right. Let's run these giveaways, chat. Let's run these giveaways. Let me grab the form here. We got 91 responses. There we go. Good odds for the chat. Good odds. Great odds for the chat. I might even add. Let's hide the emails. Don't want to dox you. I don't want to dox you. Here we go. Let me grab the names. White Mamba is actually the first name on this list. Nika's number 2. Nika's always fast as fuck. Copy. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Clear list. Heyo. Yeah, guys, the races literally don't work. The duck race doesn't work. The camel race doesn't work. It literally just like, it's on the loading screen and it never like actually loads. So that is kind of unfortunate. That the races are like, I got to figure out something else to do then for the races if we're going to do it. Races ever again. Start name picker. Here we go, guys. Load it up. First account. Shit. I'll let you guys decide. First account. Do we want to do Lucid or TRADEIFY? Let me know. Type in the chat quick. Whatever I see the most of, we'll do that one first. Ready for the ear rape? Can I? Oh, you can't even adjust the volume? Lucid, TRADEIFY, TRADEIFY, Lucid, 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 TRADEIFY, 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 TRADEIFY. Wow, this is actually fucking split. All right, fuck it. Whoever wins, I'll just let them pick whichever one they want. But the second winner will get whatever the account is that wasn't picked. Does that make sense? So if the winner picks the TRADEIFY account for the first account, then the second person's getting Lucid and vice versa. All right, I think that sounds good. Yeah, you guys might lose your hearing after the announcement. I can't turn like the volume down on this. I just can either mute it or not mute it. And we're not going to mute it because we're not, you know what I'm saying? We're not soft. All right. Good luck, everybody. Hit the like button if you have not already. We're at 241 likes. If after the first winner is picked, we're not at 250, I'm absolutely loading this up with the mods names, and I'm running it with the mods only. 100% actually happening. I'm not joking. All right. Good luck, boys and girls. Your first winner is... Newton. Hey, there we go, Newton. Let's go, man. Come on, Newton. There you go, brother. Where are you at, man? Where are you at? Congrats, congrats, congrats. Let's see the names in the chat here. Where's Newton at? Let's find him. Newton, less than 1 year. Has it really been less than a year, Newton? I feel like your name's been in the chat for a while now, man. Has it really been less than a year? Less than 1 year for Newton, but congrats, man. Congrats. Congrats, congrats, congrats. 241 likes. All right. 241 likes, clear list. Mods only. Kevin, Nika, Crypto Surfer. You know what else I'm going to do real quick? Let me do this. Fuck, dude. Can I wonder if I can filter. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. All right, I lied. I lied. Maybe we're not going to do mods only. We're going to do mods. We're going to do mods plus the people that have been here for more than 1 year. I hope they didn't lie about it, but it is what it is. And if the mods have extra entries, then that's fine. They deserve it. Like Nika's on here twice. Is Kevin on here twice? Michael's on here twice. No, Michael's on here once. Oh, is Kevin not here right now? Deb, you got to be on here. There's no way. Deb, you got to be on here. There's no way Debbie's not on here. All right, she's on here now. All right, boys, good luck. Good luck. By the way, Newton, let me know in the Discord. Let me know in the Discord which account you'd prefer. Just submit a ticket. You know what to do. Submit a ticket, and then let me know. And then whichever account you don't pick, I'll give that one to whoever wins this one. All right? Good luck. Oh, Sean Wesley with the W. Sean, congrats, man. Sean. There's really no way for me to prove that you actually have been here for more than 1 year. I'm just taking your guys' word for it. But yes, man, 2 years of streaming today, 2-year anniversary. We ended the day green, 1 break even, 1 loss, 1 win, green day. That's all we care about at the end of the day, right? So that's all we care about at the end of the day. Congrats, guys. Congrats. We'll do more giveaways. We'll do another giveaway tomorrow, guys. After all, it's going to be a long weekend again. So congrats to you boys and girls. Well, I should say you 2 boys that won, Sean and Newton. Congrats if you guys are green on the day. If you're red on the day, honestly, I would just be patient because I don't know what this wants to do. You guys know where I stand on, like, I kind of want to see this hourly fail prior to me being full-blown bearish. But since ES did take out that objective, I could see why you'd make a case for lower here. But I'm just going to be patient and see if anything else sets up later on. If not, though, we'll be back live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Remember, guys, 40% off with TRADEIFY. For right now, 5 uses, and the bundles, they count as 1 use as well, even if you buy more than 1 account. So if you're interested in trying out TRADEIFY, check that out. Otherwise, feel free to use code Tyler to support the free streams and give you max discount on your firm of choice. Appreciate you, boys and girls. All right, enjoy your guys' Wednesday, and I'll see you guys back here live tomorrow morning. All right, peace and love, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Yes, even on the instant, Debbie. That is correct. That is correct. Peace out, everybody. Enjoy your day.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Charts on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity graphs making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.